Hey everyone, this is Rajendran here. In this video, we're going to learn how to use DevTunnel to transmit alerts from TradingView to OpenAlgo using the VS Code. So, if you understand, DevTunnel is a feature from Microsoft. It is built inside VS Code itself. So, it allows developers to create some sort of a secure public URLs so that we can create our own webhooks, and most likely it is used by developers mostly. So we're going to learn how to understand this dev tunnels. First of all, let me log into my OpenAlgo here. I'm already logged in, and here is from the Microsoft what are dev tunnels. So dev tunnels allow developers to securely share local web services across the internet, enabling you to connect your local development environment with cloud services, share work in progress with colleagues, are aiding in building webhooks. So this building the webhook, that's a main feature. So dev tunnel, right? So what you can do is like you can receive trading alerts from TradingView to your local OpenAlgo application. So you don't need any special servers, and it's highly secure. It gives you a unique encrypted URL, and that only you can access. So yeah, you can register the dev tunnel. I'm going to show you a demonstration of that. So here is my VS Code. So from VS Code, creating a dev tunnel is pretty simple. You have to go to ports. So from the port, you have to click on forward a port here. And the port address, in our case, the OpenAlgo is running in port 5000. So maybe if you are running in a different port, you may have to change the port ID and then press enter. So it will start a port forwarding system, and then it assigns a unique forwarded URL. And this URL by default, the visibility will be private. So we have to convert that URL. So first let me visit the website and then show you. Let me right click and then open in a browser. So once I opened it, now this one only I will be able to log in. Maybe if you are creating the dev tunnel port for the first time, you may be required to sign up using GitHub or Microsoft account. And once this is done, right, so you have to convert into a public one. So just change the port visibility to public. So once we convert the port visibility to public, now it is sufficient enough to accept orders from TradingView. I'm going to show you how to demonstrate. I'm going to do a simple demonstration of that. So now we have this public URL. So here is the public URL over here. With this dev tunnel URL, we're going to prepare a webhook URL. For that, first I'm going to go to OpenAlgo. From here, I'll go to the documentation. So under the documentation, I'll go to the V1, and under that, I'll go to orders, click on the place order API. So here is where the custom domain webhook URL. So I'm going to take it from /API v1 place order. I'm going to attach it to the dev tunnel URL over here. And this is the unique URL which is generated by VS Code exclusively for me. So every user, they will be having a different webhook URL. So I'm just going to copy this. I'll go to TradingView. From here, I'm going to create a simple line alert. Let me simply create an add alert over here. And then I'll go to the notification section, and in the webhook URL, just simply paste the webhook URL. And now come to the settings. From here, we have this alert name. Give an alert name. For example, I'll say like Reliance line alert, and then followed by that message. This is the most important part. So we have to prepare the JSON message. For that, we have to go to the documentation, copy the JSON message, come to TradingView, paste it over here. And here we have to get the API key from OpenAlgo. So I'll just remove the dummy one, and then I'll go to OpenAlgo. From here, I'll go to the API key section, copy the API key, bring to OpenAlgo, bring to TradingView, and then symbol, probably I want to trade in Reliance. So Reliance is what I want to trade. How many quantities that you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy only one quantity, and I'm going to click on create. So product, MAS, exchange, all these are OpenAlgo related context. So just click on create. That will create a line alert. Once the line alert is created, you will be seeing like alert is active. That means it is now it is ready to accept orders. I'm going to bring it pretty close to the price action. So the moment price is touched or crossed, it should be triggering an order. So anytime it should trigger an order if it got triggered, if it just crossed. So the moment once the price is crossed, alert will be sent from TradingView to OpenAlgo via dev tunnels. Right? You can see that alert got crossed, it got stopped, and you can also see that buy order got placed. And if I go and see in the order book, I should be able to see Reliance over here. So under the trade book and position book, you should be able to see now Reliance live orders are running right now, which means we are successfully able to transmit orders from TradingView to OpenAlgo using the Microsoft Dev Tunnel. So I hope this tutorial helps you to understand Dev Tunnel better, and so happy trading. Thank you.